Lightning is a pure expression of firebending. It is precise and deadly, like Azula. To perform the technique requires peace of mind.
That's why we're drinking tea. To calm the mind.
Oh yeah, good point. I mean, yes. You may wish to try a physical motion to get a feel for the pathway's flow, like this. Come on, you've got to feel the flow. Excellent, you've got it.
Great! I'm ready to try with real lightning.
Very well.